Hello all, my name is Nitish and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn how to create AWS budget. Before we jump into AWS console and start creating it, we should know why do we need to create a budget at all. AWS free tier does not guarantee that we may not receive any bill. Because of some services kept running unknowingly, we may end up getting some amount billed on our account. To avoid getting such unwanted bill, we should create a budget. Budget helps us monitor our cost against a specified dollar amount and sends us alert when our user-defined threshold are met. The budgeted amount we set represents our expected cloud spend. Now let us go to AWS console and start creating our first AWS budget. So I have already logged into my AWS console. Here we will search for billing. We'll go to billing section, and here in the left side we could see a budget option, so we will click on that. Here we have option called create a budget, so we will click on that. So since it is free tier account, I am not enabling our enable cost explorer. It is not used in our free tier account mostly, so I will not go for it. So we have one recommendation, cost budget, so we should go for this only. So I will click on next. Now here we have to set our budget. So period will be monthly only, means how this budget should be revised, means either it will be daily, monthly, quarterly or annually. Best practice for our use would be monthly only, so I will select monthly. Then we have option called budget effective date, so recurring budget or expiring budget. So if we select expiring budget, we have to create new budget in every month. Since we have selected monthly, so we have to create new budget every month. So we will create recurring budget, and starts month since it is January 2022, so it is January only. And here we have option choose how to budget, it will be fixed or monthly. So if I will select monthly budget, so here you can see for all the months, means January, February till December. So I will set estimate for each month till December, but I will select fixed one, so that I will keep one fixed amount and it will keep on renewing every month. So for every month from January to till this budget will be there in my AWS console. This amount will be there until and unless I will change it. So amount I will set, so it is in dollar. I will set, let's say 0.08. so it is the amount, means $0.08. so we can check how much it is in Indian rupees. It should be very low, 0.08. So it is 5.95 rupees only, so it is very small amount. So even if we will be billed of this much amount, it will not impact us much. That's why I'm choosing this amount only. So it is the budget I have set, means it's above this amount bill should not come. So next, this is optional, so I will not look into this option for now. So budget name, we should give one budget name, so I am giving AWS account budget. You can give any name, it is not necessary that we should give this name only. Click on next. Here now we have to configure alerts. So here you could see your budgeted amount is $0.08. Now we have to set threshold. So here in threshold value you can see if I am giving 80, so when 80% of that my budgeted amount, so budgeted amount is 0.08, so its 80% is around $0.06. so whenever this account will be billed, means a bill will come around $0.06, I should receive one alert that hey Nitish, your AWS account has been billed of this amount. So quickly I will look into that alert and I will log into my AWS console and I will see what is causing a bill to come up. So for now I am choosing 80% only, you can choose 90 also or 70 also. So it is a budgeted amount. If I will choose absolute value, then it will be absolute value of this dollar, means $0.08 I have chosen. So I will put in dollar value only, like 0.06 I should fill here if I am choosing absolute value. So trigger will be actually not forecasted, means if I will select forecasted, then even if this amount will not reach, I will receive alert. Now here I will give one mail where I should receive this alert, where I will check. It is not necessary that you have to fill that email only which is associated with this account. You can give any email, and maximum number of email recipient is 10. So we can give 10 different emails so that all will receive that alert email. So let me quickly fill that email ID. So after that we have Amazon SNS alerts and Amazon chatbot alerts. These two alerts are paid, so I will not select this one. So click on next. Here we can choose some action also, means if we will attach some IAM role to this alert. Suppose some EC2 instance is there and which is running, and if I will choose that if that instance will cause and bill amount of 80%, terminate that instance. So I can add that action in this, means I will assign an IAM role and I will attach that IAM role to this alert. So for now I will not choose that also, because I have no EC2 instance running and I don't want any action to be performed by this alert. I just want to be notified when bill amount will go over 0.08 rupees dollar. Click on next. So it is review page. You can see cost budget, monitor your cost against a specified dollar amount and receive alert when you used user defined threshold are met. So this is my budget name, AWS account budget. In date is nothing because I have chosen fixed one. Trigger will be after 80% I will receive one trigger, and actions is optional and I have not chosen any option. So click on create budget. So you can see threshold is okay now, means budget is under threshold only. I will not receive any alert, but when this amount will, when budgeted amount, when billed amount will reach 80% of this $0.08 means budgeted amount, then I will receive one alert. So then after I receive alert, I will go to our bill section and I will see what is causing this alert to come up or what is causing my account to be billed. So that is all about this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.